To analyze Google Analytics tracking code, you first need to understand what the tracking code is and its purpose. The Google Analytics tracking code is a snippet of JavaScript code that is placed on a website to collect data about user behavior and interactions with the site. The tracking code is typically placed in the header section of a website and is used to track page views, bounce rates, and other key metrics. To analyze the tracking code, you need to access the Google Analytics account for the website and navigate to the admin section. In the admin section, you can view the tracking code and verify that it is installed correctly on the website. You can also use the Google Tag Assistant to verify the tracking code and identify any issues. To analyze the tracking code in more detail, you can use the Google Analytics Debugger, which provides detailed information about the tracking code and any errors that may be occurring. You can also use the network logs in your browser to view the requests being sent to Google Analytics and verify that the tracking code is working correctly. Some key concepts to understand when analyzing the tracking code include the concept of hits, which refer to the different types of data that are sent to Google Analytics, such as page views and events. You should also understand the concept of sessions, which refer to the period of time a user is actively engaging with a website. Best practices for analyzing the tracking code include regularly verifying that the tracking code is installed correctly and functioning as expected, and using the Google Analytics Debugger to identify and troubleshoot any issues. You should also regularly review the network logs to ensure that the tracking code is working correctly and that no errors are occurring. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can effectively analyze the Google Analytics tracking code and ensure that your website data is accurate and reliable. This will enable you to make informed decisions about your website and marketing strategy and improve the overall performance of your website. It is also important to note that the tracking code should be placed on every page of the website to ensure accurate tracking, and that any changes to the tracking code should be thoroughly tested to ensure that they do not disrupt the collection of data. Overall, analyzing the Google Analytics tracking code is an important step in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your website data, and can help you to make informed decisions about your website and marketing strategy.